I would like to thank all of my friends, all of the help. I'm so glad that we both having such a great friends who always be there for us all the time. And if without all your help, we wouldn't have our wedding, such a nice, fine wedding today. It's really like a dream come true, like in a movie. The movie that you always play for me.
I, Gerardo,
I, Gerardo,
with this ring,
with this ring, marry my chosen, Tidarak. I love you and promise to be faithful
Gerardo and Tidarat,
to you.
you now committed yourselves to each other in marriage by the exchanging of vows and by the giving of rings. I, Daniel, pronounce that you are husband and wife. You are married. Gerardo, you may kiss your wife.
Thank you for making her happy, and thank you for always beside her, and thank you for you to be the best of you in every day, and always be you and be gentleman to our, like, to me and to mom and to every girl, to every woman and to everyone that's met you. So thank you for everything. Thank you.
Jay, you gotta take care of my sister as well, nah? Yeah, he will. I love her so much. The biggest sister in our family. And welcome to our family, Jay.
Just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running, running, yeah, yeah, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, All you have to do is call and I'll be there. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know? Ain't it good to know? Ain't it good to know?